Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about CI Triad. What is CI Triad? Information systems. What is information systems? All the three things in CI Triad, which includes confidentiality, integrity, and availability, with an example for each, which we have discussed, and how can we achieve it. Integrity, similarly, how can we do it with an example, how can we learn it with an example, and availability. So this notes I will be uploading in a Google Drive. That QR will be displayed somewhere between the video in this lecture. So let's get started. Now let us understand about CI Triad. CI Triad is essential for ensuring security and reliability of the information. Now, security is where you need to protect from the attackers. Reliability is where even though if there is any problem with your hardware or software, you should be able to have some backups so that you will provide the service to the users. Now, then what is information system? Information system, it is a setup that helps us collect, store, and use information to make decisions and solve problems. It is like complete combination of technology, data, computers, so on, etc. Now in CA Triad, we have three things. First one is confidentiality. I stands for integrity and A stands for availability. Let us understand it one by one. Confidentiality is protecting information from unauthorized access. It is where, now let us say we are transferring a message from one device to other device over the internet. When you transfer from one device to the other device over the internet, this, if you send it in a plain text, if you send it in a normal text, whatever you have written on it, if anyone interrupts these packets, they could easily see that message what you have written. To overcome that, what we will do, we do encryption. Encryption is where we convert the normal text into the non-readable text, that is cipher text, so that the information is accessible only to the authorized person. What the authorized person will do, he will decrypt with a key. You will encrypt with a key, transfer it over internet, which is not readable, and that not readable text again will be decrypted with a key from the receiver. We'll discuss upon this encryption decryption techniques in the further classes. Second one is integrity. Integrity is where we ensure the data is not altered or modified or altered. Now over the internet, now I'm sending the data right from D1 device 1 to the device 2. Now I need to make sure that this data is not changed. Let's say I'm sending some password and some user credentials or some bank details. If the third person intercepts this packet and changes the values, then the integrity is lost. That should not happen. So for that, what we do hashing. Hashing is where you will convert a data into fixed value size of random code, that is called hash code or message digest, which we are going to discuss in the upcoming classes. Now this hash code and this message, we will attach them together and send it over internet. Now the from the device 1, now at the device 2 receiver, what he will do, he will take this message, do the same hashing. We'll learn how to do that in the upcoming classes as well, and do the hashing. If he will get a hash code, this hash code and this hash code he will compare. If both are same, then the integrity is achieved. If not same, then something has been modified. So this is where integrity comes in. Here is the QR code which will redirect you to the notes which is uploaded in the Google Drive. Now coming to the third one, availability. Availability is where we ensure information and resources are accessible to authorized users when needed. That means whenever you access a service from a server or an organization, that organization should be able to return you with the reply, respective reply. Let's say, for example, whenever you search in Google, whatever it could be. It will go to the server, it will come back to the server, come back from the server with the result that you are asking for. So this, for example, there could be hardware failures where availability could be a problem. When there is a hardware failure, what will happen? Let's say server is down or due to some reasons, then at that situation, the server doesn't respond to us. That should not happen. Whenever you want some resources from the internet, whenever you need them, it should respond to you. That is where availability. Thanks for watching.